Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican rice and peas my way. Let's go make it. I'm using red kidney beans, but in Jamaica we call everything peas, okay? That's why you hear we say rice and peas. I already soaked this from overnight to minimize the cooking time, okay? And I'm using about 8 ounces of red kidney beans. Add water to cover the peas. Add in pimento berries or allspice, garlic, and ginger. Salt. Boil until almost tender and add more water if needed. I'm gonna boil this for about 45 minutes to an hour. Now I'm gonna add the coconut milk. Fresh thyme, scallion, green sweet pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. We're gonna season it up a little bit with jerk seasoning, okay? Garlic powder, onion powder. Taste. Taste and adjust to taste. Cover for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add your washed rice. If you're wondering what rice I'm using, cover the pot and allow it to steam down on medium-low heat. Don't rush it. Good rice takes time, okay? After about 20 to 25 minutes, you're gonna take these out. And now you're just gonna fluff your rice. Fluff it up, fluff it up. I like my rice juicy. Not too dry or shelly, but juicy. And this is a nice pot of rice and peas, smelling so nice. Nice and rich with coconut milk. And just like that, soft, creamy, fragrant rice ready to serve. You can pair this with oxtail, stewed pork, fish, anything you want to pair this with. This is a nice side dish. I'm going to give it a nice little taste. As you bite into it, you can taste that coconut milk, that nice flavor from all the spices that I add to it. Sometimes the rice and peas is so good you just can eat it by itself, to be honest. The recipe will be uploaded at my blog. You can click the link in my bio, or I'm going to leave it down in the comment section and the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.